Hi, my name is Lica Ibarra and I am the chef and part owner of ABKD. My interest in cooking started at a very young age. I remember I was 8. I would always be in the kitchen with my mom and my grandmother while they prepare the food for our dinner parties. So I would like to think that I grew up in the kitchen at a young age. MasterChef was a dream for me ever since I watched the show. And I would always imagine myself being a finalist in that show. And then one time, my friend sent me the audition link of MasterChef Asia. At first, I doubted myself. I didn't think I would get in. But then I knew I would regret it if I didn't audition. One episode that not really changed me, but it's sort of my favorite episode. It's the episode wherein I made sinigang na salmon sa miso and I served it to the judges and they were blown away by the flavor of the dish. At that moment, I realized how a lot of foreigners, especially foreign chefs, don't know Philippine cuisine as well as the other Asian cuisines. I don't think they know how flavorful and how good our cuisine is, how Filipino food tastes like. When I travel, I try to order dishes that I've never tried before or that's not familiar. I actually use evaporated milk when making my baked mac. Even marinating chicken, sort of like a buttermilk chicken, right? Also, I use it in my batter. Evaporated milk is good for bechamel sauce and makes the dish creamier. Funny thing is after the show, when I got back to the Philippines, I think everyone thought I would pursue culinary, but I still had my corporate job. I used to work in a bank. So I just took a leave when I joined MasterChef. One morning I woke up telling myself, what am I doing here in the bank? I already know what I want to do. I don't see myself in the corporate world 10 years from now. So that morning I woke up, I wrote my resignation letter and sent it to my boss. And then I told myself that I have to pursue my passion. ABKD started with the same group I had with Cortilia, my first restaurant. It was sort of our project. We wanted to open something here in Poblacion. We wanted something comforting. We wanted a comfort ground, something homey. ABKD is sort of like your neighbor offering you food. I joined Global Academy last year for culinary school because it's always been my dream. It just got delayed so much throughout the years until last year I decided to take culinary and people would actually tell me, why do you have to take culinary? You don't need to take culinary, you already opened restaurants. But ever since I started working in a restaurant, I wasn't comfortable with my line cooks or my staff calling me chef, because I didn't think I deserved that title until I earned it in school or, graduated. So last year, I had an opportunity to study and I did. Every time I'm in the kitchen and I think of something like a menu, my family is always an inspiration. My lola, my mom, my tita, they're really my first chef instructors. My lola is a very, very good cook. I don't think the technique she taught me were never mentioned in culinary school, so that's a different kind of school. That's old school naman. My mom also, she taught me a lot in the kitchen. I've gone this far already. I know what I want to do. I know what I love to do. And it was a leap of faith, really. It wasn't easy, but very rewarding.